So it's Friday and I have the Durango pulled up. It's my favorite day of the week, and I figured that we're gonna hack the Durango even more today. And I know what you might be saying, Dave, don't you have anything more better to do? Yes, I do, but this is more important. Here is the hood now. So one of the biggest things that I have issues with is heat on it, and I wanted to do louvers on it, but they're like 160 bucks for little triangles to throw on there. So I figured, screw it, I'm gonna make it myself, and I'm just gonna cut holes. But that I was stopped when I realized that I was gonna get mud and water on my air intake. But since we have installed this brand new shiny snorkel on it from Home Depot Power Sports, we are gonna be doing the cutting of the hood regardless. And we're gonna cut some holes somehow. I don't know, maybe do a Christmas tree on it or just drill random holes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna whip out the blue tape, and I'm just gonna, I don't know, make a pattern of some sort, see what I like, and we'll just start cutting. So I got some green tape that's thinner, and I'm gonna follow this body line here, which if I can find it. Something along the lines of this. Same on this side. Yeah, these lines are like invisible. It's so windy today. Okay, so I have everything marked up the way that I want it, and I think I'm pretty happy with it because that's the way it's gonna look. I'm basically getting rid of all the sheet metal on top of the hood. Might as well just have, fuck it, I'll peel the thing off and just keep the frame. I think that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna double check my measurements to make sure that, you know, I'm not cockeyed on stuff by a lot. And I mean, it looks pretty straight. All right, I'll measure everything one more time and adjust a little bit if I have to, and then the death wheel comes out. Here we go. This is it, moment of truth. Actually, no, I lied. Ha. I gotta drill some holes first. After this moment, there's no turning back. Here I go. Wait. Wrong spot. Ooh. That was a hard hit. First hole down. Might as well just go all the way through, right? No, I shouldn't. All right, next hole. Ooh. It's close enough. What did I hit? The battery terminal. Safe. Should probably check what I'm drilling under here. I should be okay. Oh. Durango's got a hole. Alright, so this whole thing's coming out, huh? This is looking pretty damn good. I think that looks sick. That looks awesome. It needs some cleaning up, but I think that looks friggin' awesome. And look at this. Look at this. Need some coolant? I could add coolant. Need some windshield fluid? Don't even have to open my hood. Top off the brake fluid? No problem. Check the oil, transmission fluid? No problem. Also guys, it's always a good idea to have your death wheel with a guard on it so this doesn't happen. Yeah, that slipped a little bit and ouch. It is done. I cleaned it all up and I think this looks badass. What do you think? What do you guys think? Let me know. Eventually I might do like little mesh inserts in here, but I'm not sure yet, so I gotta figure out what I want to do in here. I might do like a little just a regular mesh insert and put some bolts through here holding the mesh. I think that would look kind of cool too, but I think it came out pretty good. There you go guys, a Friday well wasted. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy the weekend, and that's it this week for Project Deranged. I think it looks mean as hell. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Also click the notification button so you get notified when I post another video. I will see you guys in the next video. Later.